Welcome to parshealthTV. As you may know, supplements can help reduce anxiety symptoms, and here are 7 of the best supplements to help with this issue. Number 7. Vitamin D. Vitamin D has an important role in mood regulation as well as nerve and brain health. Studies have discovered a link between vitamin D levels and depression and suggest that taking vitamin D supplements can help treat the condition. Some studies suggest that there may be an association between vitamin D deficiency and anxiety disorders. A 2019 study revealed that taking vitamin D supplements improved depression and anxiety in women with type 2 diabetes. However, studies on the link between anxiety and vitamin D have had mixed results, so further research is needed to investigate this link. The body produces vitamin D as a result of exposure to sunlight. People can get more vitamin D by spending more time in the sun, consuming foods rich in vitamin D, mainly fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, or taking vitamin D supplements. There are also few plant foods that contain vitamin D, so it may be difficult for people on a vegetarian or vegan diet to get enough vitamin D from the diet alone. Vitamin D is unlikely to interact with anti-anxiety medications, but it may interfere with other prescription medications. Number 6. Magnesium. Magnesium is an important mineral required for the efficient functioning of almost all body systems. Some studies suggest that it plays a role in anxiety. A systematic review from 2018 looked at the results of 18 different studies. Researchers have found that magnesium supplements can improve anxiety levels in people who are prone to the condition. However, they point out that the quality of the current evidence is poor. Additionally, a short 2019 review study reported that people with PMS-related anxiety who took magnesium supplements benefited. A person can take a magnesium supplement or get it by eating the following foods high in magnesium: whole grain wheat, spinach, quinoa, almonds and cashews, dark chocolate, black beans. Taking large doses of magnesium can lead to diarrhea. Start with a lower dose, like 100 mg, mg. Avoid taking more than 350 mg per day without your doctor's approval. Magnesium can affect the effectiveness of medications such as antibiotics. Certain medications, including antidepressants and antipsychotics, can also interfere with magnesium. Number 5. Curcumin. Curcumin is a polyphenol compound that has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. A 2019 review suggests that it may also be an effective remedy for depression and anxiety. A 2018 review of 6 studies found that curcumin had good anti-anxiety properties and had a positive effect on reducing symptoms of depression. Although this analysis is small, its findings are important. A 2019 study of 123 participants confirmed these findings, particularly in people with major depressive disorder. Curcumin has been shown to reduce anxiety symptoms in people with diabetes. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff in upcoming videos. Number 4. L-theanine. L-theanine, found naturally in green tea leaves, is an amino acid that helps reduce stress and anxiety. It can also help you get a good night's sleep. A 2020 review of 10 studies found that consuming 200 to 400 mg, mg, per day of L-theanine supplementation can reduce stress and anxiety levels in people in stressful situations. A small 2021 study supports L-theanine's effectiveness in reducing stress-related symptoms and its ability to help reduce sleep disturbances. L-theanine is most commonly available in 200 mg capsules. As with any supplement, when experimenting with L-theanine, it is best to begin with the lowest possible dose. It is important to consult a healthcare professional before taking more than 400 mg. Number 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are abundant in foods such as fish and flax seeds. They play a vital role in brain health. The body cannot produce these fats, so people must get them from their diet. A 2019 systematic review and meta-analysis looked at the results of 20 clinical trials and concluded that taking omega-3 supplements, such as fish oil, may help people with anxiety disorders. A 2020 review found that low consumption of omega-3 fats is associated with an increased risk of anxiety and depression, and taking omega-3 supplements may help prevent or treat these disorders. Omega-3 fatty acids can interfere with some medications, including blood thinners. If people have medical conditions or are taking prescription medications, they should consult a doctor before taking omega-3 supplements. Number 2. Probiotics. Probiotics are microorganisms known to have beneficial effects on the digestive system. However, recent research suggests that probiotics may also have a major impact on mental health. A healthy balance of bacteria in the body can improve the body's ability to cope with stress, improve overall mental health, and improve cognitive function. Foods containing probiotics. Probiotics are found in a variety of foods and beverages, especially those produced through fermentation. Some of the most common sources include sauerkraut, miso, yogurt, tempeh, kimchi, kombucha, and pickles. Number 1. Complex B. B-complex supplements contain all the important B vitamins our bodies need to function at optimal levels, many of which are essential for a healthy nervous system. B vitamins can also help improve symptoms of anxiety and depression. You'll want to talk to your doctor, but the average recommended doses range from 300 mg to closer to 500 mg. Lack of energy and fatigue can lead to irritability and stress levels. Therefore, B vitamins, which are known to maintain high energy levels and improve cognition, may have a positive effect. According to one article, research shows that regular consumption of B-complex vitamins can help increase energy while reducing stress. What's more, as clinical studies have found, this strategic combination of vitamins can even reduce personal stress and depressive feelings caused by a stressful environment. It's a well-established scientific fact that what you eat can have a huge impact on your mood. Nutrient deficiencies can make mental disorders worse, and a nutritious diet can help reduce symptoms. Certain natural vitamins or vitamins obtained from eating whole foods are thought to have a positive effect on anxiety. Although most natural vitamins are also available in dietary supplement form, the body absorbs them more efficiently if they are consumed through the consumption of whole foods. Share your ideas and experiences about anxiety in the comment section below. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen. Thank you, guys, for tuning in.